Hello and welcome to Using Color in Op Art. So last week we started learning about color with the color wheel, and we're going to explore color in the new context of op art or optical art. We're going to learn about a few artists in this movement of art, some of whom don't use much color, like M.C. Escher, Bridget Riley. They mostly use black and white. But we're also going to take a close look at artists like Victor Vasarely, who like to use color and shapes, as well as Akiyoshi Kitaoka. And we'll be learning how to make some of these optical art patterns and using our color wheel to help us make them way more interesting than they would be on their own. We'll talk about complementary colors, which are opposites on the color wheel, and we'll use those to create contrast, which shows a big difference between two things. And we'll use analogous colors, which are neighbors on the color wheel, and we'll use them to help give our art dimension. So during these projects, I hope you have fun learning how to create these illusions and also how to add to them the kind of colors you want to really make those optical illusions pop out. See you in the next video.